Friday, May 16th, and there's a lot of air tool use here I can hear right now. And I think maybe we busted a hose, but seeing a lot of activity out here today. And we're gonna turn some stuff off here and then maybe talk to Dad and Aidan and see what their progress is here today. So, looks like Dad did some more bondoing here on the cab of the Muskeg tractor. And I can see they got a new wet vac or dry vac, new vacuum cleaner here. Dad would have used that other belt sander for the straight edges here today. That's why he's got fresh Bondo on here. Little dusty. And young Aidan here was sanding up until a minute ago here. And you can see all the blue on the ground there. So what's your progress here today? It looks like you got quite a bit done.
Well, the top is done. And cleaning all this side and around the window.
Okay.
So he's going tomorrow.
Okay, so young Aidan is taking May long weekend off here, which is fine. And you can see Dad's been using more Bondo here to get all those little dips and crevices done. But this looks really nice actually. Okay, so they like Dad said, he got the top done already, and I'm gonna go around to the back. Lots of cleanup here for me this weekend to do, and you can see how much has been sanded on the back here as well. Looking good, really good, really nice. But this is what this customer wants. He wants to make sure that he's got a good paint job for his 1952 R18. And yeah, we'll check in with Aidan, see if he's got anything to say about what's going on here. And I don't know if this is just a box or I don't know if we got a new vacuum cleaner here. Aidan, what's your update? Well, did you get evacuated or anything like that, or?
No, just evacuating everyone else.
Okay. So how are you? Are you excited to get back to sanding and priming and painting and grinding and everything, or?
Absolutely.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nothing that beats that. It builds character, does it?
Yeah. Builds lung tolerance.
Yeah, lung tolerance too, yeah. You cough up the blue.
Yesterday afternoon.
Yeah. I know, that's why I tell you to put it, keep it on.
Just leave it for now.
So that's a nice blue sheen on the furnace filter, and we're gonna let that run overnight, and we go through quite a few furnace filters, put them on that air exchanger. If you don't run that air exchanger, guys, it gets to the point where you can't even breathe in here. So I'm glad these guys did what they did. But that's your update for today. Just a lot of sanding being done by Aidan and Dad. And we'll check back in with Dad tomorrow. Well, my two hammer-headed dogs are busy trying to get something that's in this roll here. It's been keeping them pretty occupied for the last little bit. And Charles is all spry. I got their treats here, but they don't even want to pay attention to the treats right now because there's something in here. Probably a squirrel or something. What do you got in there, Charles? Tell us what it is. Oh, I can hear it. It's like a chipmunk or something. So, well, this is going to keep them pretty busy for the rest of the afternoon. So, what a life. Hey, what a life these guys live. You better find it, Charlie. You make sure you get that thing. Tell them you don't want them here.